Hello everyone, welcome to the Xoro invoice send payment link guide. In this quick little guide, we're going to show you how to send a payment link to your customers for an invoice that's due. So for example, here I'm at the invoice center. I can quickly reach that just by typing in invoice, just going to the invoice center. And what I can actually do is I can see which invoices have any amount due. And what I can actually do is send a payment link to this customer's email. So this came up customer, I have an email that's recorded under that customer record. I can actually automatically send a payment link for $35, and they can actually make a payment with their credit card, and that'll get recorded as an invoice payment in the Xoro system. So what I can do is just tick this off here, or multiple emails. I can do right click, send pay invoice link, and basically it's gonna send the link over. So what I can actually do is refresh this page, and I can see that if I pull up this payment email sent column, I can just hover over the email, and I can see that my email was last sent at this time, how many times it was sent, so I can keep a track of how often I'm sending payment links over to my customers. And then once they make a payment, it'll just get recorded as an invoice payment, simply enough.